Hey guys, today we're gonna be reacting to Bartek GoGo, but it's the unofficial Bartek GoGo because it's a ripoff, but it's actually the original because it's 2016, but I don't care. So yeah, me with Bartek GoGo are gonna be reacting to Bartek GoGo. So yeah, let's start with this. Yeah.
Mordeczki, to ja. Tak. Ja się nazywam Bartek GoGo. Ha, ha, ha. Dobra, teraz gramy sobie w Bedwarsa. Szybko zdobywamy diamentowe rzeczy. Nie robimy się na chyba.
Recorded by mobism.
What's a mobism? Like actually, what is a mobism? Also, what is the quality of this video? Why does it change from...
He recorded it on his phone.
Yeah, why is it like one time it's this and the next time it's spread out? Also, Blockman Go, that's a ripoff of Blockman.
Yeah.
Also, it looks like it's also a ripoff of Blockman.
Yeah.
Lucky draw! What's a lucky draw? Those characters look ugly as Ree. What is this?
Cook.
Bro to be playing a knockoff Bed Wars on his phone.
It's 5 years old.
Oh yeah. We shouldn't be trashing it 5-year-old, but okay. Yeah, this is boring. Like actually, this is boring as I don't know. This is so boring.
It's boring as hell.
Yeah, we are leaving. Granted 2.
Holy. Wait, I know this.
Mobizin and Mobzin.
I know this, but it was
I need a wind channel. He's not even speaking. He's just playing Granny 2, which is also probably a ripoff. I mean, yeah.
I'm gonna play. I'm just waiting on the tutorials.
I don't know why, but I just found it funny when there's absolutely no commentary and we just like go on. What is this?
Sing.
I don't know. Sus move. Bartek is doing the sus thing right now.
I'm trying to.
Taboret gaming is no more.
It's no more activated.
First of all,
Gaming has low battery. I know.
First of all, Taboret gaming dies. Second of all, I don't know.
I need to change the batteries.
Yeah.
I seriously need to change the batteries in this.
What?
Wait, I need a knife.
Bartek needs a knife. Wait a second, guys. That's a pen. That's not really a knife.
Yeah.
Bartek, go.
Relax.
What? Bartek GoGo is literally decimating this chair. I mean, Taboret gaming. Taboret gaming is no more. Actually,
Yeah, no more. I'm sitting on this right now, but I'm standing.
Yeah, this is for example, this Taboret is actually supposed to. What the Taboret? Taboret, guys, it's Taboret.
Yeah,
Taboret.
Put this on my head.
Taboret.
Holy.
Taboret. Taboret.
Bartek looking like knockoff Mr. Beast right now.
What?
I don't know.
From what video?
I don't know. react to brand new 2 by Bartek GoGo. Whoa! Oh my god, I already typed Alice. What? I don't know. Egg Wars! Egg Wars, what is this?
Siemano, witajcie mordeczki, oto ja, Bartek GoGo. Dzisiaj gramy sobie w Egg Warsa.
Egg Wars.
Wiem,
Egg War.
nikt nie grał.
Blue.
Ale wiecie, że dziś ja będę grał oczywiście. A wiecie, że właśnie dopiero wszedł nowy filmik na YouTube, gramy 2 wejdzie za parę minut. Widzicie chyba.
No way, Bartek GoGo is okay. Bartek GoGo's unstuck. Don't swear.
Ja teraz czekam na moich. O, dobra, blue. Jakim jestem?
Yeah, this is
Blue. Jakim jestem?
romantic journey. What the?
This is the same avatar I used.
This guy is
Maybe
like.
it's me from the future.
Oh my god, Bartek GoGo, like, this is a coincidence. Bartek GoGo played this game, we have the same literal avatar, and Bartek GoGo, the knockoff version, playing Egg Wars, is literally the same person. Bro, what is
I
that?
don't know, I was 6 feet old.
Nie, ja jestem blue.
Is it actually Bartek GoGo? Imagine if this was actually Bartek GoGo, then that would be such a plot twist.
No, it can't be me.
Well, yeah.
It really can't be me.
But look at this. It's all checked out.
Because I
Kinda.
Because when I played Granny, I was scared as fuck.
But you look like.
Goofy are recording. What am I doing?
Bartek and GoGo, don't jump off the bridge because we can't lose content like this. Well, yeah, this.
Content.
I don't
You
know.
have a low quality content.
Bruh. Yeah. So,
So guys, I
yeah.
have a machine gun.
Yeah. So, yeah. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I don't know, just like and subscribe, please.
Nice.